This is the Philips 3200 series espresso machine with SilentBrew Technology, and it's hands down one of the best coffee upgrades I've made this year. It looks premium, fits perfectly on your kitchen counter, and has a sleek touch interface that's super intuitive. But the real magic, it's how quiet it is. Thanks to SilentBrew, it delivers full aroma and crema without the usual noise. You get 5 one-touch coffee options: espresso, coffee, Americano, Cappuccino, and Latte Macchiato. Every cup is hot, bold, and customizable. Strength, volume, and even the grind size. The LatteGo system is a dream. It makes silky foam in seconds, and cleaning, just a quick rinse. No tubes, no mess. Speaking of easy, the AquaClean filter gives you up to 5,000 cups without descaling, and everything's built for low-maintenance use. If you're looking for a quiet, stylish, and fully automatic espresso machine, the Philips 3200 Series EP4444 absolutely delivers. It's the ultimate at-home barista experience. Like, comment your go-to coffee, and subscribe for more smart home reviews. Product link in description.